Is it old? Yes. Is it rusty? Yes. Is it reliable? Yeah. Does it bring me joy? Yes.
Stop asking yourself easy questions so you look like a genius.
Got it. Hello, my name is Nick. This is my little channel I like to call Sunday Driver Rides. Thank you for joining me. It is appreciated. Today, I need to fix something on my old 72 F100. Tomorrow, I would like to go to the junkyard, but I have yet to get a working temp sensor in this thing. So, what I'm doing right now is stripping a screw out. That's the first thing I'm doing. I should probably put this on low. What I'd like to do is get this original temp gauge to work. So let's see if we can figure that out, huh? All right, I got the screws out. Let's pull it out. And is that what I think it is? Look at that. Yeah, God, the mice just will not give up on this truck. I find just my stuff in here all the time. All right, I'm gonna vacuum this out, wipe it down. Dang it. All right, now that I've wiped out hopefully all of the Ebola virus that was in there, I disconnected my speedo cable so I can pull the dash out, the gauge cluster I should say. And then on the back side of this, you can see it's got that really high quality, flimsy circuit board stuff, which I like. So anyway, there's my temp gauge right there. So if we move to the back of this, right there are my two ports for it, right? Right now. Hey, that's nice. Stay there, would you? Anyway, so what I read on the interwebs, and we all know the interwebs never lies, that if you ground out the one side of it, which I think that's the ground side, I hope it is. If you ground it out and then turn your key to on, and then if your gauge goes all the way to hot, your gauge works. It's your sending unit and or your wiring. So let's just see. Let's see what our upside down temp gauge does. Turn the key to on. Where's my key? There's my key. See what it does. You okay? I don't think it's doing much. Do you? Why? That internet's full of it, huh? Should we just go to the other side and just see what happens? See if we can short something out. So here, we're gonna go to the other one. Maybe it's because of the rust, it wasn't grounded out. Let me put it on the nut. Now let's try it. Oh, this is going great. This is going great. Nothing. Okay, now we'll go to the other side. To the other post. Let's see if I fry something. Oh, I think I found the ground. Okay. Maybe the internet's not lying. All right. So I did. I put it on that one. And she took off. All right, let's get a sending unit for it. All right. So what I found is this thing has an aftermarket temp sensor in the back. Now the temp sensor must have broke, and they just said, nope, we're not going to deal with it. We've got an aftermarket thing. We're just going to do that. So what I found online, temp sensor should be right here. What I did was I went out just to local auto parts store, bought one. Now I get to do the old switcheroo. My goal is to do it without having to drain the coolant in it. Let's see if I can pull it off, huh? Oh, that's it. Come on out. Whew. That's in there. I got Teflon tape on this thing already. This thing is gonna start spewing out coolant when I pull it out. Let's get it ready. I'll get my wrench for this one ready. Put it right next to the camera so I can knock over the camera when that time comes. It's gonna be great. Okay. My thumb ready to go over it. Yep, here it comes. Nope. A little bit lost, not bad. That's what I was expecting. Threads look the same. Oh yeah, they look the same. Knock on wood. Ready? Here we go. Get on there. Thread. You got a thread. Hey, look at that. She's threading. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Minimal coolant lost. I like it. All right. Fast forward a bit. I ran a new wire for it. I know, I cheated. But you know what? That wire under the hood, it was nowhere to be found. So I figured, you know what? This wiring is already kind of messy under here. Why not just run a new one? So I did. I left a little on the end there in case I caught the wrong one. I could put it back. And then I ran it to the firewall. Zip tied it in a couple spots. Look at that pretty blue wire to match that pretty blue engine. Just like so. All right, let's put it back together and see if it works. All right, fast forward a little bit. Let it run for a little bit. Look at that. It's coming up. I think it's working. Yes. Oh, I love it. I love it. A few more minutes later. Look at that thing. Look at that. Oh, it works. Oh, such a good truck. Such a good truck. Hey, good job, Ron. Proud of you. All right, next is the float for the fuel tank. If you're looking for a part number, there it is. Hopefully it works for me. Well, let's find out. All right, let's pull her out. Come on, let go. No, well, I didn't just totally destroy the gasket. All right. Come on out. All right. Let's put that float on it, huh? How do I open this? Oh, for Christ. Ah. Come on. Jeez Louise. Okay. All right. Looks like it just goes like this, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, sure. Look, that was easy. Let's put it back in. All right. I gave her a thin coat of silicone. Let's see how much silicone we can get on the float, putting it in. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, let's button her down and give her a test. All right, the fuel gauge is hooked up. I don't know how much is in it. Let's give her a test, see if it comes up. Yes! Oh my gosh. That is so nice knowing how much fuel I got in this thing now again. What do you mean again? I never did. Hey, look at that. I got a half a tank. I could go for miles. Well, it did. I just took it for a spin and it, honestly, it ran good. And, the temp gauge works. The fuel gauge works. My oil pressure gauge works. The only thing that doesn't work is my voltmeter, which I've got some little aftermarket one down there that they had put in. But it is just every day. Headliner's still there. World's worst interior light still there. I gotta get that thing to be bright. But it is every day. Just keep picking. Just keep picking. All right. I think that's gonna do it this episode. Thanks for watching. It is appreciated. Just making a little bit more progress on that truck. Ooh, I love it. Anyway, I got leaves to do. Thanks again for watching. Take care.